Welcome to today's special program. Today, we will explore a product that not only marks a new step in the freight industry but is also a symbol of innovation and progress, the Freightliner SuperTruck II. Let's immerse ourselves in the adventure of progress, as we explore the special and superior features of the SuperTruck II. The journey towards SuperTruck II is rooted in the success of its predecessor, SuperTruck I. With an initial investment of $80 million, Daimler Truck North America, in collaboration with the Department of Energy, embarked on a transformative research endeavor between 2010 and 2015. The fruits of this labor were evident in the form of tangible advancements that transcended the realm of experimental prototypes. The windshield innovation and fuel-saving aerodynamic features pioneered in SuperTruck I found their way into production models, setting a precedent for the integration of research-driven technologies into commercial vehicles. It is the cornerstone upon which progress is built, enabling manufacturers to push the boundaries of efficiency and sustainability. Daimler Truck North America understands this imperative all too well, as evidenced by its groundbreaking SuperTruck initiatives. With the unveiling of Freightliner SuperTruck II, Daimler Truck North America reaffirms its commitment to practical innovation aimed at transforming the future of long-haul transportation. Building upon the foundational achievements of SuperTruck I, Daimler Truck North America channeled its resources into the development of SuperTruck II. With a focused approach aimed at practical applicability, the $20 million investment in SuperTruck II sought to elevate freight efficiency and reduce carbon footprint without compromising on commercial viability. Derek Rotz, the Director of Advanced Engineering at Daimler Truck North America, emphasized the strategic evolution from speculative exploration to targeted innovation. By leveraging insights gleaned from SuperTruck I, the team behind SuperTruck II navigated a nuanced path, eschewing the allure of novelty for the promise of tangible impact. SuperTruck II embraced a holistic approach, targeting four primary areas of enhancement: tractor aerodynamics, powertrain efficiency, energy management, and tire technology. In each domain, the objective was clear: to maximize operational efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. The pursuit of enhanced aerodynamics led to a 12% reduction in aerodynamic drag compared to its predecessor. Through meticulous redesigning of critical components such as the hood, bumper, and chassis fairing, DTNA engineers optimized airflow, ensuring seamless integration with the existing cab structure. Automatic adjustments at highway speeds, including the activation of side extenders and a roof spoiler, exemplify the fusion of aerodynamic principles with real-world functionality. Central to the efficiency paradigm of SuperTruck II is its powertrain, heralded as the most efficient iteration in Freightliner's repertoire. A prototype Detroit 13-liter engine, equipped with two-stage turbocharging and interstage cooling, stands as a testament to engineering ingenuity. The integration of a split cooling system and a 13-speed overdrive transmission underscores the commitment to optimizing performance while minimizing fuel consumption. The adoption of a high-power 48-volt electrical system represents a paradigm shift in energy management. By harnessing the potential of lithium-ion batteries, SuperTruck II redefines the boundaries of efficiency. Noteworthy innovations, such as the dynamic allocation of power for steering assistance and the implementation of EcoCell technology, underscore the versatility of the 48-volt system in optimizing energy utilization across diverse operational scenarios. Our partnership with Michelin has yielded revolutionary advancements in tire technology. From adaptive tandem axles that extend tire life to dynamic load shift mechanisms that optimize rolling resistance, every aspect of SuperTruck II is engineered for maximum efficiency. By reducing friction and harnessing the power of innovative tire compounds, we're redefining the limits of performance and sustainability. The integration of dynamic load shift mechanisms and specialized tire designs yielded tangible benefits, including a 12% reduction in tractor rolling resistance and a 20% decrease in drive tire wear. SuperTruck II isn't just about efficiency, it's about reimagining power and safety. Our new 48-volt electrical system powers essential features without the engine running, while the innovative power steering system adjusts demand based on driving conditions. Mirrorless camera systems enhance visibility and aerodynamics, ensuring a safer and more efficient driving experience. From design inception to real-world testing, SuperTruck II is the result of a global collaborative effort. Our teams work tirelessly to push the boundaries of innovation, from clay models to handcrafted assembly. With every panel meticulously placed and every mile driven, SuperTruck II embodies our unwavering commitment to excellence. As we unveil SuperTruck II, we reaffirm our dedication to driving change in the heavy-duty trucking industry. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies and a relentless pursuit of innovation, we're not just shaping the future, we're defining it. With our customers at the forefront of everything we do, SuperTruck II isn't just a vehicle, it's a testament to our unwavering commitment to progress. We extend our heartfelt thanks to the U.S. Department of Energy for their invaluable support and co-funding of this program. Without their partnership, the vision of SuperTruck II would remain unrealized. Together, we're shaping a future where innovation knows no bounds, and sustainability is not just a goal but a reality. Beyond the realm of functionality lies the realm of aesthetics, where form seamlessly intertwines with function. Jeff Kottner and his team, entrusted with the design development of SuperTruck II, sought to imbue the vehicle with an artistic sensibility inspired by the fluid dynamics of nature. From sculpted styling to vibrant exterior wraps, every element of SuperTruck II reflects a harmonious fusion of efficiency and aesthetics.